On Valentine's Day in 2020, a remarkable discovery unfolded at Mazda's Fukuzaki warehouse. An astute observer stumbled upon a gold-colored wedge tucked away in a corner. The MX-81 Aria, Mazda's first MX model, which had lain dormant for 4 decades. Typically, concept cars are retired after their exhibition duties, but this hatchback with pop-up headlights and a weathered facade had defied convention, remaining mostly asleep since its debut at the Tokyo Motor Show in 1981. The MX-81 was a product of collaboration between Italian design, courtesy of Burt One, and the creative touch of designer Mark D. Champs. Built on the base of the 323 from that era, it housed a 1.5-liter petrol engine with around 126 bhp, fitting neatly within the footprint of a modern Ford Fiesta. The design showcased flush windows, pop-up headlights, retractable wipers, and vertical rear lights spanning the entire C-pillar. Notably, it featured a groundbreaking innovation, a rectangular steering wheel composed of a tracked belt that retracted into the dashboard, encapsulating a miniature CRT television screen with buttons reminiscent of Knight Rider. Fast forward to Valentine's Day 2020, the MX-81 was rediscovered, prompting a restoration plan to celebrate the enduring relationship between Italian design and Japanese technology. Despite decades of dormancy, the car displayed minimal damage. After transportation to Mazda's Hiroshima HQ, a comprehensive restoration effort ensued, focusing on the engine, brakes, steering, and electrics. Following a successful track test, the MX-81 journeyed to Turin for the second phase of restoration. The skilled artisans at Superstyle, Mazda's restoration partner, meticulously restored panels, paintwork, and interior leather, bidding farewell to the effects of humidity. Crucially, the pop-up headlights, a distinctive feature of the MX-81, were revitalized. Flavio Galizio, co-founder of Superstyle partner Flartech, expressed pride in bringing this hidden gem back into the light after 4 decades of obscurity. The MX-81 Aria of Mazda is not just a car, it is a piece of history returning home.